Okay, in this video I'm going to demonstrate, we're going to continue the pencil box and I'm going to demonstrate how to do the rebates. We did those in the classroom, we marked them out and cut them out. It kind of works in a similar way here. We mark out and then we cut out. In fact, we don't use a command called cut out, we use the extrusion command. Hopefully you've realized that from previous videos. If you haven't done so already, you should have watched the editing video, because I did adjust the sizes of this, and yeah, you should already know how to log in and some of the commands and so on. So we're going to create a sketch. So we're going to click the sketch button. We get the dialog up here. What plane do you want to put the sketch on? So we're going to again click on this front plane here. Like we did in the classroom, we did our marking out on the groove, on the face where the groove is. We're going to do the same here. So we're going to click this plane, and it'll be good to view this front on. We could click the view cube. Another way we can do this is if I go right click and go view normal to sketch plane. We'll also view it front on. We're going to use the rectangle tool, so click that to select it, and what we're going to do is we're going to start the rectangle in the corner here and end it on this edge. So you get a little square when you're in the corner, so make sure you got that little square. Click once, move the cursor down and click here. We're also going to, because this needs to be done both sides, we're going to do the same thing over here. Click once in the corner, click on this edge. Now we need to adjust these sizes. So we use the dimension tool. Select the dimension tool. We're going to click once on this outside edge, click again on this new line that we've drawn. We'll move up and click again. We're going to make this 12 millimeters. And press enter. It will adjust. Do the same thing over here. Click once on the long edge of that rectangle. Click again on the edge of the existing rectangle. Click to place it and type 12 and enter. That sketch is now complete, so we can click the tick. And again, this will be easier to be viewed three-dimensionally, so we're going to click that. I'll just zoom backwards a bit and adjust here. What tool do you think we use? If you guess the extrusion tool, you're right. So look for extrude in the toolbar and click it. What faces do you want to extrude? So notice that even though we drew one rectangle, the program has broken it into two. So we actually have to select both here. So we click once, click again on the other thing. Now that's wrong, isn't it? Because it's adding to it. We actually want to do a remove. And that's way too deep. So we need to change this to 5. Press enter and you can see what it's going to do. But we need to do that on both sides. So with all this still open, we can go and click these two rectangle segments over here. It'll give you a preview of what it's going to do, so it should look like that. Remember, we've got this opposite direction button, so make sure it's cutting away. Make sure you're on the remove section, on the remove command, and then tick. And there's our rebates. That's it for this video. Well, we will continue drawing this in the next video.